साथ की साथ चल रही है। जिन लोगों के रजिस्ट्रेशन ना हो कृपया बाहर रजिस्ट्रेशन अवश्य करा लें, क्योंकि ये थोड़ी देर तक जो हमारे साथी हैं वो रजिस्ट्रेशन करेंगे। कोई भी व्यक्ति बिना रजिस्ट्रेशन के ना रहे। The 7CV report shocked that and that this at last Shri D.K. Rai told that I have noted the all deliberation and especially quoted the 7 CPC will consider diploma engineer in a special category. The 7 CPC report shocked and disappointed not only us but all the employees of the country. The CPC have done nothing but only work as the 6th CPC review committee. I immediately FOTA condemned and this retrograded recommendations. We again formed a review committee to study the 7 CPC under the chairmanship of Engineer Bhamdatji Patron. Engineer R.C. Srivastava ji convened, Engineer S.S. Dubey ji, ex-Secretary General FOTA and President FOTA, Engineer P.R. Singh ji and Engineer M.C. Yadav ji, Vice President FOTA. In the meantime, Government of India formed a committee to review the 7 CPC report and sought review report from different ministries and organizations. FOTA review committee continuously studied the report and made discussion for a week at Datta Bhavan and prepared a report memorandum. We submitted this to Cabinet Secretary, Government of India via our letter number 709 dated 26/12/2015. We organized a meeting of all central department, Federation, Association of Diploma Engineers in presence of Shri Shiv Gopal Mishra ji, Secretary JCM on 7/1/2016. In the meeting, it was decided that the FOTA will participate and the protest dharna along with JCM on 19 January 2016 at Jantar Mantar and the inhalation of recommendation on 9th January 2016. Diploma engineers, especially from UP, Delhi, Forte and the other constituent units in large number participating. The copy of the 7 CPC report was burned at Jantar Mantar, New Delhi. I hope that the newly elected body will be announced next agitation program as earliest as possible. अभी कुछ परसों we have seen some new development that the Government of India, the day before, he formed a second committee in the chairmanship of Cabinet Secretary of Government of India. We already submitted our demands and charter or demands after study a large number with the Honorable Engineer Bhamdatji. So we have submitted this again, but we have to work and we have to give our protest, we have to give our demands to the Cabinet Secretary also. The Cabinet Minister of Government of India is coming in our meeting shortly at 2:12 and we will request him to organize a meeting with the Cabinet Secretary Government of India as soon as possible so we can put our demands in front of this committee also. SARC Diploma Engineer Forum, SDEF. FOTA is constituent unit of SARC Diploma Engineer, from which is Engineer Forum, which is a recognized body of SARC. Our President Engineer Satnam Singh Dhanova continued as Chairman SDB for last 2 years. FOTA hold the convention and 12th apex body meet in Chandigarh, India, on 6 to 8 September 2013. Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka attended this mega event, which was lighted, inaugurated by Shri Manish Tiwari ji, Honorable Minister, Government of India, and Shri S.P. Kakran, former Secretary and Chairman, Central Water Commission, along with the ministers and administrator of Punjab government, stressed the need of regional cooperation for eradicating poverty and around developments of the people at large. The 13th Apex Body meet was hosted by IDEB at Dhaka, Bangladesh from 23rd to 25th April 2014, which was attended by the 6 Indian delegates under the chairmanship of Engineer S.S. Dhanova, Chairman SDEF. The 14th Apex Body meet and convention was hosted by Diploma Engineer Association Nepal from the 7th to 10th October 2015 and attended by the Indian delegates headed by Engineer S.S. Dhanova. A delegation also meet Honorable Arjun Bahadur Thapaji, Secretary General SARC in SARC Secretariat on 7th October 2015. He assured the delegation for his recommendation for apex body status to SDEF in SARC. Datta Bhavan. Remaining works of Datta Bhavan second story was completing during this tenure. Now Datta Bhavan is providing food and lodging to our members and their families with 20 rooms. Many guests availed facility in Datta Bhavan during April 2013 to December 2015. Our 24-year-old office building was in a bad condition. The office building got renovated. We are thankful to our Assam unit, especially Shri M.M. Rajvanshi ji for providing 1.5 lakhs for this purpose. A very beautiful greenish garden is maintained in premises. Account of